How to add grid lines, columns, and rows in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. Here, click on File at the top left, click on Settings, then click on Show Rulers. After you click on Show Rulers, you will find rulers up here in your page. Now to add grid lines, what you can do is click on File at the top left corner of your screen again. After you've clicked on File, you'll find all these options again. There, click on Settings. In Settings, click on Add Guides. Here, select any columns. You can click on 3x3 grid, and after you click on it, grid will be added as you've chose. You can custom if you want to as well. This is how to add grid lines, columns, and rows in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.